All right, where is the, good God, where's the doggone lid? It's gotta be in there. Okay, thank you. There it is. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man here. We're doing an amazing recipe. My dirty version of it is called Dirty. What are we doing today?
Dirty pot roast.
Pot roast, baby. Doing it in the crock pot, so let's get started. Okay, here's the recipe for this wonderful dirty pot roast. If you want the exact measurements and everything in the whole recipe, check out toddsdirt.com under the recipe page. Click on the recipe and you'll see the whole thing there. You can actually print it out and you can actually watch this video at the same time. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is sear the meat in a cast iron pan. You can use any kind of pan that you like. We're gonna put original dirt all over the meat. Press that right in there really well. All the way around the other side. Now we're gonna put this in the pan. Oh yeah, listen to that sound, baby. That's what the Dirt Man likes to hear. Okay, now we're gonna flip this over to the other side. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and crushed, that's what we're looking for. All right, we're gonna make sure we sear on all four sides of the meat. Get all the goodness from this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take approximately one onion and then we're gonna put it in the pan. We're gonna put this right on top. I also put carrots. I like the little baby carrots. I think they work really well on here, so I'm gonna put them in the pan. All right, now we're gonna put the celery in here also. And then we're gonna put some more onions. All right, now we're gonna take the Hidden Valley Ranch. And we're just gonna pour this all inside here. Then we're gonna take the onion mix. Now we're gonna throw one stick of butter in here. I'm gonna go a little bit more Todd's Dirt in here. We'll say about a tablespoon and a half. And one clove of garlic. Okay, now we're gonna put some beef stock in here. A lot of times people just put beef stock. My wife Holly actually said she uses actually no beef stock, no anything else in there. She just lets this go, so that will work. I'm gonna do it, I like a little beef stock in mine, so we're gonna do about a half a cup of beef stock. And then we're using a cab. You can use any kind of red wine that you want, something cheap. And then I'm gonna put a cup of red wine. And then we're gonna pour all this right all over. All right, before I put this away, I don't care how cheap it is. Okay, now I'm gonna put the top on. We're gonna put this on low and we're gonna let this cook and do its thing for the next 6 to 8 hours and then we'll come back. Okay, you can thank me now. You saw some amazing food porn today, and now you see this beautiful final product. You're welcome, I know. When you make this, you're gonna be like, holy moly, this is good. What we have on here is the dirty cauliflower mash on the bottom, and we've got some vegetables. We have the pot roast. Dirt Man's happy. This is a great keto, low carb diet recipe. Fantastic. Hope you enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed making it. I am enjoying eating. I wish you could be here with us. Hey, please subscribe, check us out, check out toddsdirt.com, check out our future recipes, and remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.